In PC Crash 12, there are some new controls for doing the camera matching. You can see here I've got an intersection where we've got a photo of some tire marks. I want to map those onto the scene. And usually you would be toggling this background image on and off as you try to select points to do the camera match. But now some of that is automatic. So I'm just going to try get the features in view here in my 3D scene. Make that opaque. And if I go to my view camera calibration points, I'm going to add. So you can see it's got a little red BMP. That's my bitmap. I'm going to pick that corner over there. It automatically toggles it off. And I get a little targeting reticule there I can use to zoom in on what I'm trying to match. So you can see I can pick all kinds of different points here, foreground and background objects. It keeps toggling back and forth between the scene in 2D and 3D. There we are. So I've got a few points picked. And then we can say I don't want to do that anymore. And optimize camera position, which is all the same as before. That was not great. Looks like I need to rotate my camera view a little bit to get things aligned. The points move with the rotation. Let's try re-optimize. There we are. We're still not matching everything quite right here, but we should probably do a correction on this image as well. So a little more care and attention, and we could probably get a pretty good match between the scene picture and our 3D scan. So it's just a lot easier with the way that this background image toggles now automatically as you pick your different points. So that's an improvement to the way that camera matching works in PC Crash 12.0.